Hey. United Pacific just sent the new LED sequential turn signals. Turn signal lights, LEDs, everything, all in one package. Oh man, look at them. Just look at them. These are definitely going to keep people off of your sweet ride when you're cruising down the highway and they see you hit your brake lights and they're going to go. So check them out. If you haven't seen them, you wouldn't be the first because you don't normally see sequential LED taillights on 64s and Impalas. It's usually just Mustangs and things like that. But these are going to be really nice on the AE and Orange Impala. Can't wait to get them installed. Everybody's going to be blinded by the light. I'm super stoked. Even came with a little bit of wiring harness, flasher. Just got to take them out, plug them in. Oh look, they even have a cool little plug-in. You just twist it and push it in. Little circuit board. I know I'm excited. Comment below, tell me what you guys think. Check out United Pacific. Get yourself a set of these custom taillights. You won't be disappointed.